what? He had an advertisement in the city pages back in the day. And when he was a dancer, I don't know, he was doing karate or whatever he was doing. And I cut his picture out and I put the picture on my refrigerator. And Brett, this is before we got married, he comes over and he goes, "That's my friend. That's Steve Luptek." And I go, "Fuck you. No, it's not." And he goes, "Yeah, that's my friend." And I go, "Whatever." So then I come home from work one day and I open the door and Brett's sitting there and there's Steve Luptek. And I'm like, "Oh my God."
And a G-string and gave you a lap dance.
I'm like, "What?" And I had to throw the picture in the garbage after that. I was like so pissed off.